Until now, you have studied social science mainly through stories of people. We begin to understand what social science actually studies and why it is important in our everyday lives.
Social science is the study of society. It helps us understand how people live together and how economies meet human needs,
and how our environment influences our lives.
Social sciences mainly study the natural and physical world, such as matter, energy, and living organisms.
Social sciences focus on human society, cultures, institutions, and interactions.
Social science is not just about memorizing facts. It is about understanding the systems that shape our lives and the connections between people, society, and the world around us.
Human beings do not live in isolation. Our daily lives are shaped by many interconnected forces. 4 important ones are the environment, institutions, economic activities,
and traditions and ideas.
The environment around us influences where we live, what resources we use, and even how communities develop. Institutions are highest bodies and systems that help society function. Schools educate us, governments provide public services, and many other institutions help organize our collective life. Think about the food on your plate. Before you eat it, farmers grow it, workers process it, transport networks move it, markets distribute it, and consumers buy it. Our lives are also shaped by traditions, values and ideas from one generation to another. These influence how we think, behave, and understand the world. Now look at an ordinary morning. It may seem simple, but every activity connects you to a much larger social system. Your house depends on raw materials, workers, industries, transport, and trade. Something as ordinary as waking up under a roof is connected to geography and economic activity. The roads you travel on are planned, constructed, and maintained through public systems and government decisions. Infrastructure is therefore closely connected with governance and public policy. Your school also exists within a larger institutional system. Educational policies and decisions at different levels influence how schools function and how students learn. Even the electricity powering your study room depends on a vast network of power generation, transmission, and distribution. What appears to be an ordinary daily activity is often connected to people and institutions, economies, environments, and ideas. Remember these 3 questions for revision. If you can answer them clearly, you have understood the foundation of this chapter.
Question 1. How is grade 9 social science different from the way it was studied in lower classes? Question 2. What are the 4 factors that shape human life? Question 3. How does the food on your plate show economic interdependence?
If you can answer them clearly, you have understood the foundation of this chapter. Social science is not just about memorizing facts. It is about understanding the systems that shape our lives and the connections between people,
society, and the world around us.